Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Messenger waiting for network problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you open up setting and next you tap on connection. First check your internet connection. Your internet connection is clearly. And next follow the instruction carefully and scroll down here. Tap on general management. Tap on apps and search here. Search Messenger. Scroll down. You can tap on storage. You can see that clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. Delete. Tap on. Go back. Tap on permission. Now tap on all permission. Tap on allow notification. Now go back your home screen. Go to your Play Store app. Tap on Play Store and search here Messenger. Your Messenger app is already last version and update. Okay, go back your home screen and tap on your phone power button. You can see that power off, reset, emergency call, medical info. Tap on reset and now restart your phone. Hopefully your problem is solved.